So moving on with the different ribbons in AutoCAD, let's move on to the annotation ribbon that we have in AutoCAD. So it's basically for doing the text and giving the dimension to your floor plan or drawing something like that. So if you can come to your home panel, and you can see just after modify we have annotation ribbon, and we have some text style, some dimension style, some multi-leader style, and stuff like that. Now you can also access this annotation ribbon from the Annotate tab. So it's the same thing. You can also access from here. Now the first thing that we can do over here is we can see there is a text style, and just adjacent to that it says standard, and you can see there are two different text style right now, annotative and standard, and from that standard is the selected ones right now. You can also see there is a manage text style option, so if you click on that it will prompt you to go for a text style. Alright, now let's close that for a moment. If you click on annotation and click on text style, it will take you back to the text style itself. Now here we can define our own text style, right? So for that, let's go for a new text style. Let's call it KY floor plan. Okay. And then from here you can see there is an option to change the font. So you have different fonts. Let's click on the arrows to see how these fonts will look. You can see a quick preview on the left bottom side. Let's go for Verdana because that looks fine, and let's say I select it, and in the size you can go for annotative, or you can uncheck that. Let's talk about that in the later video. You can go for effects, upside down or backwards. Backwards is mostly used in text such as ambulance and stuff like that. Now in the font style we can go for bold, italic and regular. Let's keep it to regular. And for the height you can basically fix a height for your text if you are using the same height, but let's say you are not using the same height, so let's keep it on to 0 for now, and width factor is 1, so we can reduce it to 0.5 and it makes so squishy. Let's keep it to 1, oblique angle 0 because we don't want it, and we can go for apply and set it as the current floor plan. Now if I come to my annotation, we can see in the text style we have the current floor plan as KY floor plan, right? So that's how you can create your own text style in AutoCAD.